Hello students, myself Richa Sharma. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the students of Standard 11 who passed and moved towards a new class, that is class 12, as well as a new academic year. So let us start our today's video, which is the very first chapter of part A, that is financial statement of not-for-profit organization, which can also be known as, or the short form is NPO. Before I start with the meaning of not-for-profit organization, let me discuss with you a very basic concept, or we can say a very basic difference between profit-earning companies and NPO, that is not-for-profit organization. So, profit-earning companies are those companies whose main motto or main motive is to earn profit. Profit-earning companies वो कंपनीज होती हैं जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रॉफिट अर्न करती है. सो एंड फॉर दैट रीजन दे फॉलो द प्रोसेस, दैट इज फर्स्ट दे मेक द जनरल, आफ्टर जनरल दे मेक द लेजर, आफ्टर लेजर दे फॉलो ट्रायल बैलेंस, आफ्टर ट्रायल बैलेंस दे फॉलो द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, आफ्टर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट दे मेक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, एंड इन द एंड दे मेक द बैलेंस शीट. This is the process which a profit earning companies follow. And in NPO, the general and the ledger are same as profit earning companies, but after the ledger, they make the receipt and payment account, and after receipt and payment account, they make income and expenditure account, and after that, that is towards the end, they make a balance sheet. Now students, you may arise the question, why they don't make the profit and loss account? So the reason why NPO does not make profit and loss account is that the main focus or the main motto of NPO is to serve the society. That is, they are not just concerned with to earn surplus profit, but to serve the society, and for that purpose they don't make profit and loss account. So now let us go towards the meaning. The meaning of NPO, that is not-for-profit organization. So the meaning is, not-for-profit organization are those organizations whose objective is not to earn profit but to provide service to its member and to the society. As I said earlier, not-for-profit organization वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है जिनका मकसद सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रॉफिट अर्न करना नहीं होता, बट उनका मेन मोटो या मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि उन्हें सोसाइटी को और उनके मेंबर्स को सर्विस प्रोवाइड करनी है, और इसी रीजन की वजह से उनका नाम नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रखा गया है. सो इन शॉर्ट, नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मेनली फोकस ऑन providing the service to the society and as well as to its member, rather to earn profit. It's set up for the welfare of the society rather the benefit of any one individual. It means not-for-profit organization is set up with the main purpose of welfare rather to provide a whole benefit to just one individual or one group of people. जो नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है वो लोगों के वेलफेयर के लिए या लोगों की भलाई के लिए काम करती है, ना कि किसी एक सिंगल पर्सन को एनपीओ का प्रॉफिट प्रोवाइड कर. इट इज अ सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी नॉट ओन्ड बाय एनी इंडिविजुअल और एन इंस्टीट्यूशन और एन एंटरप्राइज. इट मीन्स एनपीओ has a separate as well as a legal entity, but it cannot be owned by any individual or an institution or any enterprise. A not-for-profit organization is existing only for the benefit of society and not for ओनली प्रॉफिट पर्पज. स्टूडेंट, जैसा मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, जो नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सोसाइटी को बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए या सोसाइटी को सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए ही एग्जिस्ट करता है, ना कि सिर्फ प्रॉफिट अर्न करने के लिए. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जनरली फ्रॉम फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ प्रमोटिंग कल्चर, आर्ट, रिलीजन, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, public service to the public and all members, etc. It means the organization, that is the not-for-profit organization, are formed only for the purpose of promoting cultures, art, religious or religion, education, health, public service to public as well as to the members. Now let us see the examples. The examples of NPO are clubs, hospital, libraries, school, society, but the society should promote sports, arts and cultural activities. Now, this was the meaning of not-for-profit organization. Let us move to the financial statement. The financial statement followed by not-for-profit organizations are receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So students, आप सबको ये क्वेश्चन तो जरूर आ रहा होगा कि नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ सोसाइटी को बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करती है एंड दे जस्ट नॉर्मली डोंट अर्न द प्रॉफिट, देन फ्रॉम वेयर दे गेट द फंड? एम आई राइट? So the fund that not for profit organization gets are normally through the contribution which the members or trustee does. From that they get the fund. Like the fund required for the activities of not for profit organizations are normally contributed by its members, trustee, etc. in the form of donation, membership fees and subscription. So that's all for today's video. Further topic will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.